Hello! Here we'll take a look through the 5 stages of Piano with Ease so you can see what is taught in each stage. In stage 1 or 1A, the right hand gets to stay in one set place on the piano keys while the left hand learns to move around to the different chord positions. That way you only have to focus on moving one hand at a time while you get used to the skill of playing smoothly and connectedly. Here are some examples of songs that are in stage 1. Beethoven's Ode to Joy. And then we have piano solos like Knowing. And we also have songs where the right hand starts on a different position besides middle C, like the song Irish Rain. And all of the Piano with Ease songs can either be played with block chords or patterns. There's all kinds of different patterns that we learn in here. Stage 2A is when your right hand barely moves out of its 5-finger playing position and the left hand starts to add 7th chords, like this song, Kumbaya. And here's the 7th chord. See, they add a really nice tension. In stage 2, the right hand learns to move freely around the keys instead of just barely moving like it did in stage 2A. For example, in O Shenandoah. And then on this last page of Pachelbel's Canon, the right hand moves all over like you see. Then in stage 3, the right hand and the left hand add black notes, and the left hand does new chords such as suspended chords. This allows us to play interesting songs like Beethoven's Für Elise. And Scarborough Fair. And even a new type of sound in songs like Hava Nagila. In stage 4, the right hand gets to add more notes to its melodies, so we have fuller melodies. The left hand adds inversion chords, which is the chords you've been learning but just in different places on the piano, and we add in optional advanced patterns, such as Chopin's Nocturne, The Entertainer, and The House of the Rising Sun. In stage 5, you'll actually be able to see notes in both hands if you want. It is optional, but it's perfect for those of you who have been struggling to coordinate where to add in your left-hand patterns. There's also a training where you'll learn how to find the songs you want to play. There's unlimited songs out there. You're not only limited to the songs that are in the Piano with Ease method. Stage 5 has songs like Prelude, Passacaglia, and the Braveheart theme, which is a copyrighted song. That's why you can't see the whole sheet of music. So that is the overview, big picture look of all the 5 stages in Piano with Ease. Every stage has at least 30 songs already made in the Piano with Ease style, so you have options to get in and learn what's taught in that stage. As of now, there's over 150 songs in the Piano with Ease method and growing every month. So if you've been looking for a way to learn more songs in less time, or if you're frustrated because you've tried to learn traditional sheet music for so long, we'd love to have you in Piano with Ease, where the main focus is how much can you self-correct on your own without needing a teacher sitting beside you to correct you? How much progress can you make on your own if everything you need is on the page in front of you and you have tools such as videos that are played at a slower and regular speed that you can literally play along with to help you learn rhythm? I'm sure you're starting to see by now that in Piano with Ease, everything that usually is a hang-up for beginners has been removed, or we just put it off till later, so that you can actually have fun getting to the good part, which is enjoying playing songs now. If you've never tried a Piano with Ease song, I invite you to click on the link in the description. There is a song right now that you can learn for free. Best wishes on your piano journey, and I hope to see you in the course.